Over here, like I said, you have your Play Store, so if you want to download some more games, you have Spotify, and you can still download more stuff into it. Keep that in mind. You have YouTube right here, so if you want to watch that, like I said, you can do this while driving as well. I don't recommend it. It's illegal and dangerous, but hey, if you want to do it, there it is. Make sure to subscribe. And another cool thing on here is we also have my remote connected to it, so I can actually move the stuff around, as you can see there. Or if we have a game, so I'm going to play it, and I'm going to show you guys this will still work. So let this load up. Okay. So as you can see, I'm using the remote. And there it is, you guys. If you guys do have more questions on it, make sure to hit me up on Instagram or comment below, and I'll go ahead and answer them. But like I said, this is basically a mini computer inside. The last thing that I did want to show you guys, and like I said, this does have a lot more features. I'm not showing you guys everything. I'm just showing you guys the main things that I think you guys can utilize and that I really liked about this system. So you go ahead and go on your CarPlay, and as you can see, I have everything set up right here. I have my OnX maps. Whenever I am off-road, I can use them here. And of course, I can do other things that my phone has. But as you guys can see, CarPlay works just fine. And I can still use my PlayStation remote, but I wanted to show you guys it is also touchscreen. So overall, on the installation, just in case you guys were curious, it's actually not that hard. In this kit, it does come with instructions, and those instructions give you like a step-by-step process. So it makes it super easy. Another easy thing is everything is plug and play, and everything is labeled. So it shouldn't be too hard for you guys, and I hope this video did help you. And another thing I did want to mention is a lot of other stereo companies that I've done before, they don't list everything out like that. Like, you just kind of have to figure it out, and this one, it didn't. So I felt it's a little bit better when they provide all that. Another thing too, the installation, depending on how good you are on doing something like this, it should only take you anywhere between, I'd say, an hour and a half to 3 hours max. If it's taking you longer than that, maybe something wrong. If it's taking you faster than that, and then hey, you're a professional. If you guys do want to go ahead and purchase it, make sure to check out the description box below. I've linked the discount code there for you guys. If you did enjoy today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.